Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's COVID-19 live stream. And we are going to be providing updates on where we are with COVID-19 and wrapping up today. This will be our last COVID live stream for the foreseeable future. Fortunately, we're in a much better place now, and we're delighted that we are taking this positive turn and coming out of this pandemic. So this will be our last one for a while, hopefully forever, but at least for the foreseeable future. So today I wanted to just start by sharing an update on where we are with the numbers. So I will share my screen. So you can see that this first slide is the positive cases per 100,000. We are now down to 8.1 cases per 100,000, down significantly from the peak of 320 cases per 100,000 back in January. That was when the contagious Omicron variant was peaking. In terms of our positivity rate, similar drop we're seeing. It was at a high of 38% positivity rate in January, now down to 2.62%. Following those trends, we're also seeing a decline in hospitalizations, down from the peak of 504 hospitalizations in Fairfield County in January. Now we're at 36 hospitalizations in March. And similar numbers at Stanford Hospital have seen a significant decline from the peak there. And really just want to point out that these numbers aren't by accident. This was due to extraordinary collaboration and teamwork and compliance from all of our residents, all of our business owners, our first responders, our medical professionals. This was really a group community-wide effort that led to this decline in numbers. So we want to take a moment to thank everyone for all of your hard work, the sacrifices you've made, your patience, your compliance with all of the requirements we put in place, wearing your masks, doing your part to get vaccinated and get boosted. The fact that we were and still are the second most vaccinated city in the state really made a difference and helped out our hospital, helped reduce the numbers that they were seeing, and helped reduce our case rate. So we really want to say thank you to our community, to all of our first responders, our healthcare professionals, everyone who really came together for over 2 years to make sacrifices to help us get to this point. I'm going to stop sharing my screen because today is a little bit of a shorter briefing since we have such good news to share. And I want to take a moment with Dr. Yoon and Jody and Ted Jankowski on the line to say a big thank you to them for their leadership for over 2 years of this once-in-a-century pandemic. You've worked tirelessly 24/7 to keep our residents safe, and your efforts have led to directly saving lives and keeping people healthy in our city. So big thank you to Dr. Yoon, to Jody, to Ted for your tireless effort to protect our community and for all the sacrifices you made these past 2 years. So the final message we want to share with everyone is that we've learned a lot. We've overcome so much over these past 2 years. We're much better prepared now to handle this pandemic. We've got the tools and research and knowledge and systems in place now to be able to handle this pandemic. And again, kudos to the team here and all of you for being a part of that effort. We encourage everyone to enjoy these months ahead. The weather is getting warmer. We know that businesses are reopened. Please enjoy the wonderful small businesses and restaurants we have in Stanford. Schools are, of course, open and students have the option now to not wear their masks. So we hope our students are enjoying their school days. We want to thank our teachers for all their sacrifices and devotion during this period. We, of course, remind everyone to have common sense, to be safe, and of course, to continue to, if you haven't yet, get vaccinated, get boosted, because of course, there's always a possibility this could return in the future. That's the best way to protect yourself and your family from getting COVID or spreading it. But for the time being, we're really delighted to share this positive news on the data and the trends that we've seen. We hope everyone enjoys these warmer months ahead. Enjoy your spring and summer. Stay safe. Be smart, and please continue to reach out to us. Of course, if you have any questions, our email is mayorsoffice@stanfordct.gov, and we will get back to you right away. And if you need information about our testing sites, our vaccination or booster sites, you can go to the stanfordct.gov website to find all of that information. But with that, we want to just thank everyone again for all of your patience these past 2 years, for everything you did to help keep our community safe. And just want to say as mayor, how proud I am of our community that we overcame this once in a century pandemic, and want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all you did to be a part of that. So with that, thank you, everyone. We're signing out for now. And hopefully this will be our last COVID live stream for a very long time. But we thank you. Be safe and enjoy the months ahead.